Hey, it's Madison. Welcome back to another art video. In today's painting adventure, we're going to see how many fluid flowers we can fit on this 8x10 canvas. I will be using my normal painting mix, which is just acrylic paint mixed with floetral until it's a smooth and liquidy consistency. And I will be using just a straw from the kitchen to create these fluid flowers. To create these fluid flower pieces, I normally start just by putting paint circles all over the canvas. And then I layer the colors that I want to show up in my flowers. Now, with these paint circles, you can be really strategic about your color scheme. You can kind of have them all following the same color patterns, or you can add just some random pops of color, or you can make all of these circles completely different patterns and color schemes, whatever you want your flowers to end up looking like. The only thing I would be mindful of as you put the paint on the canvas is how you're going to spread the paint. If you have a Lazy Susan, you can be a little heavier handed because you can spin that Lazy Susan and stretch out your flowers as much as you need. But if you're going to stretch or even just try to leave your flowers, then be very mindful of the amount of paint. Here you can see I had a little bit too much paint, so I did spin it out on the Lazy Susan before I started to blow my flowers.
Aside from my soul.
The last flowers that you blow are gonna be the ones that are seen on top. I would just be mindful of this as you're finishing up. Just know these are gonna be the ones that are most likely to be spun out and the most noticeable. Make sure you're centered on the Lazy Susan and you're ready to spin.
I think it's all angels just walk by. There goes a sight from my soul.
I just had to share with you this little bubble pop before I show you the dried results. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to buy this or similar artwork, go to madisonart.com. Here's the dried result. Thank you so much for watching. Your support means the world to me. I hope you have a great day, and I hope I see you in the next video. Bye!